Hello everyone, welcome to Whitestone Game, and on this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to download Windows 10 21H1, that is May 2021 update with the Microsoft Office 2019. So please follow these steps. Number 1, as you can see, please click the link in description. So at the description I have gave the link, so if you click that link you will come to this website. So just scroll down and you can see the details of this software. So just scroll down and you can read the details of the software. At the bottom side there will be download button, so just go and click the download button. So this is for 64-bit, alright, not for 32-bit. So just click the download button. At the next tab you have to wait at least 10 seconds, I think. So please wait 10 seconds. Yeah, so here we go. Just click the save. So many people will not download from web browsers download, so just cancel this. So if you have internet download manager, just copy the link address from here and go to IDM and just add the URL and you can download it from IDM. Alright, so this should be, I think, 5.7 GB. Okay, so this is 5.6 GB. Let's start the download. Alright guys, so that's it for today's. Please hit that like button, comment down your doubts, share this video those people who need this, and please subscribe Whitestone Game. That's it.